morning students. I am Swati, mathematics teacher from Oxford High School, Uppagundur. Before class we learned already numbers. Number subtopics is numbers, numerals, numerations, place value and face value. And again international systems, Indian systems, expanded form, short form, enough. Today convert to millions equal to how many lakhs? Thousands equal to how many hundreds? 1 lakh equal to dash, thousands or hundreds. This type of questions is there. Okay? Today how many lakhs? How many lakhs makes 2 millions? How many lakhs make 2 millions? 2 millions equal to how many lakhs? 2 millions equal to ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, hundreds thousand, million. 2 millions is equal to 2 millions. That is equal to is converted into placing the commas according to Indian systems. Placing the commas according to Indian system. Okay? Placing the commas according to Indian system. That is equal to 2 0 0 0 0 0. Indian system using commas, 3 digits after using commas. After 2 digits after using commas. That is equal to read as ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 20, 10 lakhs. 20 lakh. Okay. Next. Second example. This is example mark. Another example 2. Second example. What is 35 crore in the international system? What is 35 crore in the international system? 35 crore. That is equal to 35 crore. Placing the commas according to international system. Placing the commas according to international system. That is equal 35 0 0 0 0. 3 digits are after using comma. Again 3 digits after using comma. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, hundreds thousand, million. That equal to 3 million. Another example. 1 crore, 1 lakh equal to, and 1 lakh equal to 1 lakh. There are 100 lakhs. There are 100 lakhs. There are 100 lakhs in 1 crore. Therefore, in 60 crore, there are 66,000 lakhs. 1 crore is 1 crore. 1 lakh, writing words in numerations. There are 100 lakhs in 1 crore. 60 crore. There are 6,000 lakhs. Another example. 30. What is 35 crore? What is 35 crore in the international system? In the international system. Crores equal. Placing the commas according to international system. Placing the commas according to international system. That is equal to 35, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0. After 2 digits, 1. First 3 digits after using commas. Again 3 digits after using commas. 3 digits. Is read as ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, hundreds thousand, million, 10 million, 100 million. 350 million. Into international system and Indian system. Indian system is converted into international system, or international system is here and is converted into Indian system. Next, ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order. Ascending order means small to big. Descending order means big to small. One example. Writing 5 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit number. This one also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit number. Digits are same. Next, ones place. 10,000 place means 2, 2, 3, 2. 3 digits are, 3 numbers are 10,000 place are same. This one is biggest. Okay. Next, this one is big. 37,963. Next, again these 3 numbers are, which is the smallest? 10,000 place are same. Thousands place also same. Next, 100 place 6, 7, 7. These 2 numbers are 100 places are same. These 2 numbers, which is biggest? Again next, 10th place. 10th place. This is 6 here. Next another number is 9. Which is greatest? That one. Second. This one second. Next. These 2 numbers are, which is the smallest number? Smallest number is 10,000 place, thousands place are same. 100 place are here 6, here 7. Smallest number is this one. Another smallest number is this one. Another smallest number is this one. Again, ascending order means small to big. Small. 25,632. Next, 25,763. Next, 25,793. Next, 37,963. Okay, are you understand? Digits are same means place values are comparing numbers, compare them. Next, descending order. Descending order means descending order. Descending order means big to small. Same. Ascending orders reverse. 37,963, 25,793, 25,763, 25,632. These are ascending and descending order. Ascending order means small to big. Descending order means big to small.